Hello everybody, how are you doing today? This is Gaëtan. This is, we're still in the season 2. It's summertime. We are going to have today hot dog, hamburger, and grilled tofu. It's better to cook slowly than burning the food. So, bienvenue à la saison 2. Ici c'est Gaëtan. Et puis aujourd'hui on a des burgers, hot dog, tofu sur le grill, tofu mariné sur le grill. So let's start by the burger. I will confess immediately the burger is the brand Beyond Burger. It's not a burger I did myself. If somebody is doing something exceptional, why don't using this exceptional product? I consider that a very exceptional product. So before cooking, I put barbecue sauce on the burger. And the barbecue sauce will cook at the same time as the burger. So follow me. Right one and number 2. So this is done for the burger. I put the burger face down. That means the barbecue sauce is on the top. When I flip it, the barbecue sauce will be under, and I'll coat it with more barbecue sauce. Second ingredient, in the burger we like to have onions, right? So we're going to have onions. I use a mandolin to have rings of onions like that. As you can see, onions tend to disorganize themselves very quickly. So the way to cook them first is bottom down. When I mean bottom down, you see all these things come out this way, so you put that down first, so it's not come out like that. And then I'll put a touch Cholula sauce. It's a hot sauce, but it's not very hot. In the scale of 1 to 10, it's about 5, 6. And it's also like a little note of sweetness in it. We put onion rings next to the burger, like that. And I start the grill at high. I'll bring back to medium, like that, so I don't want to burn. It's always better high. C'est toujours mieux de cuire lentement et d'éviter de brûler, de calciner la nourriture. Maintenant les hot dogs. Alors j'ai des hot dogs normal. Et ce que je fais, j'arrose copieusement d'huile. Après, j'utilise ma très chère sauce Cholula. C'est une sauce que j'aime bien parce que elle est un petit peu sucrée dans le fond, en arrière-goût. Elle a un petit peu de sucré. Et puis, elle a un petit goût de noisette. Et elle n'est pas trop piquante. Alors, certaines personnes sont sensibles aux épices. Hot dog, here we are. Et voilà. Once again, I put the heat to medium. That was the hot dog. The hot dog, I use olive oil, hot sauce, cover everything, take a bath, put that on the grill, and you'll see the result. As I said, we have burger, hot dog, tofu, and we have Portobello mushroom. Sometimes people like to have a mushroom, like a Portobello mushroom, as their burger, so I'm going to take care of that today. So I was saying the Portobello mushroom, I'll trim the trail like this. I'll put, this is fresh oregano. Mushroom and oregano That's a nice pair. This is from the garden, a few feet away. Absolutely delicious. You see this? See the amount I'm putting together? Yes. Guess what? I'm going to spray this like that. Oops. A little bit too much bigger. Alors, je vaporise de l'huile végétale. Ça, c'est de l'Oregano. C'est des mushrooms, des champignons. Portobello. Je ne sais pas si ça y a un autre nom en Europe. C'est le nom que je connais ici en Amérique. L'autre chose que je mets, c'est du poivre. Et je mets les champignons sur le grill, comme cela. Et je regarde les burgers. Alors, ils se sont détachés parfaitement. Les burgers se sont détachés. They flip perfectly. No sticking. Onion, we flip once. Flip once. They are still intact. Oops, I lost a piece. Dogs, we roll. It's 90% perfect. Very good. So we're going good with this. We keep going here. The last thing I need is the tofu. I have this tofu marinated for 24 hours. The ingredient for the marinade are, there's 3 ingredients. Tamari, soy sauce, and garlic. So I flip like that, and I make these things pretty thick. And I use a spatula, and I go like this for 1, like that, and 2 like this. Since we're cooking in pair, I'm not adding anything more to this. So, le tofu, mariné pendant 24 heures, avec du tamari, et de la sauce piquante, et de l'ail frais. C'est une sauce très simple. Et puis, on laisse mariner pendant 24 heures. Au bout de 24 heures, on cuit sur le grill, comme ça. Et ça donne des résultats très intéressants. Alors, les burgers s'en viennent. Les oignons sont presque prêts. Les hot dogs s'en viennent aussi. Il manque le pain. La sauce, elle est excellente. Voici les pains. Les pains, il n'y a pas grand-chose à faire, c'est d'être gentil. On les met comme ça. 1, 2. Il n'y a rien de spécifique à ça. Et voilà, nos pains sont là. Les burgers s'en viennent. Et puis, dans quelques secondes, le festin va commencer. Vous voyez, les burgers ne collent pas à la grille. Ils se déplacent très facilement. Les hot dogs sont juteux, gonflés. Ils sont prêts. Alors, les pains sont déjà prêts. Voici les pains, la base. Et un burger. Deux burgers. Ouh, c'est bien. Voilà. Deux burgers. Les oignons. Alors, on va voir ce qui arrive. Hot dog. Voilà. Et hot dog 1. Et hot dog 2. And let's see what happens to the tofu right now. So the tofu will come out by itself. Yeah. Yeah. Woo. Oops. See, nothing is perfect. Bread for hot dog. Bread for hot dog number 2. Now we see that the Portobello, they are all watery inside. That means the cooking process is getting through the mushroom. Mushroom, be careful, it's very hot. Don't burn yourself. Le tofu I'm using is a firm tofu. Le tofu que j'utilise, c'est un tofu ferme. How are we doing here, tofu-wise? Tofu number 1. Here we have it. We have burger, portobello mushroom, hot dog, and tofu. It's very easy to prepare. If you have a friend with a grill, if you have a grill yourself, just learn how to use it. Very, very few ingredients, but everything you're doing to it will increase, improve, expand the flavor by tenfold, maybe more. On a le burger, portobello mushroom, le champignon, le tofu mariné et les hot dogs. J'espère que vous allez en profiter. C'est vraiment simple à préparer. Alors, on se voit bientôt. Continuez à regarder sur YouTube. Thank you for watching on YouTube. Thank you for your comment. Thank you for your subscription, your thumbs up. Merci pour vos thumbs up. Merci pour vos subscriptions. Merci pour vos encouragements. À bientôt. Merci. Bye.